The importance of menu costing. Food cost determines a restaurant's profitability. It is what a plate is being sold for on a menu versus what it costs to prepare the plate. Without knowing what the food cost is, there is no way to know if the item on a menu is generating a profit.
So we're going to do some simple steps on menu costing. The first step is know your recipe. You can actually look for different recipes on cookbooks, but if you don't have one, you can search for some online, like how we did to search for the angel chicken pasta recipe. For the next step, you should take note of the volume needed. By the volume needed, we mean the volume that is asked on the recipe. Note, if you want to be organized, you can use a table, like this. For the third step, you are now going to shop for the ingredients needed for the recipe. And for the last step, we are going to show you on how to do the computation. Note, we are going to do some conversions.
Here's the formula for us to know how much each ingredient would cost per serving. The price of the product multiplied by the volume needed stated in the recipe divided by the volume of the product bought from the market. Please take note that you will need to do conversions. You can search for conversions online.
In this case, we are told to have 1/4 cup butter. We will convert 1/4 cup into grams, which will result to 57 grams. What we bought from the market is 227 grams worth of 103 pesos. So, our goal here is to find how much the serving costs. And with this, we will use the formula. Volume needed multiplied by the price of the product divided by volume of the product brought. So the volume needed is the 57 grams and the price of the product is the 103 pesos. The volume of the product is 227 grams. So we will compute for 57 times 103 over 227, which will result to 25.86 pesos. This is the finished table with computed amounts per ingredient. To be able to know the price per serving, we have to add everything here in the price per ingredient. In this case, we ended up with a total amount of 403.58 pesos. But this is not yet the final amount per serving. We still need to divide it by how many servings this recipe can make. In our recipe, this can make up to 6 servings. So, 403.58 will be divided by 6, which will result to 67.28.
Think of you.